happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your maths class. Dear children, let us recall something first of all. See what ma'am is having. Ma'am is having so many pens in the hand. See? So, let us count the pens. Okay. Now, in this hand, ma'am is holding 2 pens. How many pens? 2 pens. And in this hand, how many pens are there? There are 3 pens. Count, dear children. 1, 2 and 3. Yes? So, in total, ma'am is having how many pens? Ma'am is having 5 pens. Yes. So, that means 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Yes? Understood? Now, in this hand, ma'am is having 3 pens. Oh, इस hand में कितनी आ गई pens? 3. See? Now, in this hand, how many pens? 2 pens. Okay? So, the number here is 3 and the number here is 2. So, in total, how many pens? Again, there are 5 pens, dear children. That means 3 plus 2 is also 5. 2 plus 3 is also 5. Understood? So, which chapter we were doing? We were doing chapter number 3, that is addition up to 10. Is it clear? Let us see what we are having today. Okay, today we will learn addition on the number line. See what you are having here. A kangaroo. Yes. And the name of the kangaroo is hairy kangaroo. Here it is written. See, it is written hairy kangaroo. Now, kangaroo wants to add 3 and 1. जैसे कि मैम ने यहाँ पे 3 और 2 को ऐड किया था, वैसे ही कैंगारू को 3 और 1 को ऐड करना है. ओके, ही स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0 एंड जम्प्स टू 3 ऑन द नंबर लाइन. उसने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया? 0 से. जब भी हम एडिशन करेंगे नंबर लाइन में, वी वर स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 0. उसने जंप किया 3 पे. ओके, सी, उसने जंप किया 3 पे. Then he jumps 1 place ahead. क्यों एक ही place पे ahead उसने jump किया? Because he wants to add number 3 and number 1. So the first number is number 3. तो kangaroo number 3 पे पहले आएगा. Then one more jump, that is number 1. See now, the kangaroo is on which place? He is on number 4. That means 3. Here I will show you. Okay? See this. 3. Ma'am is having 3 pens in this hand and 1 pen. Okay? So in total, how many pens ma'am is having? Total, I am having 4 pens. In the same way, dear children, 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. This is on the number line. Is it clear? Understood very well? Now, let us solve the exercise which is there in your textbook. You have to open your textbook and you have to take out your pencils as well. You will do it along with me. Come on, fast, fast. Open your textbook. Which page number? This is your exercise number 2. Yes, the 3rd chapter. Understood, dear children? That is the addition on the number line. See, this we have studied about the kangaroo. Now, let us move on to the exercise 2. Now, in exercise 2, what we have to do? We have to help the kangaroo on the number line. हमको सबकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए, है ना? तो हमको इस कंगारू की भी हेल्प करनी है. लेट अस सी उसको क्या हेल्प चाहिए हमसे. नाउ इन द फर्स्ट वन कैंगरू क्या बोलता है, ही इज सेइंग 3 + 3 = dash. Now let us start first of all. We will start it from here. First of all, the kangaroo will jump, okay, from here we will start from 0 to 3. Okay, one line you will make it like this. Again, the second jump of the kangaroo is on again 3. So you will move kangaroo 3 steps ahead like this. कितने steps हम kangaroo को कितने jumps खिलाएंगे, 3 jumps. 3 jumps पहले खिलाएंगे and 3 jumps बाद में खिलाएंगे. Now kangaroo is on which place? It is on number 6. So that will be your answer. That is number 6. You will write it like this. Understood? Same in the next one. Now again the kangaroo first of all will jump 7 times. वो 7 नंबर तक jump करेगा. So we will start it from 0. 0 and where is 7? Here it is. You will make an arrow like this. Next number 1. तो हम kangaroo को एक ही बार jump खिलाएंगे. That is on number 8. Okay. Now finally the kangaroo is on which place? It is on number 8. So your answer will be 7 + 1, that is 8. Next, again the third one. Now this you will do it on your own. Ma'am will give you the hints, okay? First of all, here you are having number 2. So let us move the kangaroo 2 steps, okay? 2 jumps. Then दूसरी बार kangaroo को कहाँ पे पहुँचना है, 8 steps आगे और. So from 2 you will start. From 2, count it like this. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 like this. So here you will get the answer. That is your number 10, dear children. Understood? आप 2 के बाद 8 steps और आगे जाओगे. So this will be your answer. Clear? Ma'am has already given you the answers. Yes. Exercise 3. Now, addition is done horizontally as well as vertically. जैसे कि अभी मैम ने आपको दिखाया, इस हैंड में मैम के पास कुछ पेन्स थी और इस हैंड में भी थी. फिर मैम ने उसको एक्सचेंज किया एंड यू डिड द एडिशन. वैसे ही हम एडिशन हॉरिजॉन्टल वे में भी कर सकते हैं, इस वे में भी कर सकते हैं, या तो वर्टिकली भी. नाउ which is the horizontal one? Let us see. Dear children, when you are doing addition using the number line, हम जब number line use करके addition करते हैं, that is horizontal addition like this. Again the story of the kangaroo is here. Now first of all number 5th is given here. So you will start from 0 to number 5 like this. Then 2 more jumps. तो 5 के बाद हम start करेंगे 2 more jumps like this. So kangaroo is on 7th place. So your answer will be 7. Understood? In the same way you will do it the remaining sums. Okay, see here, ma'am has already given you lots of hints. Next you are having add vertical. Add vertical means ऐसे addition करना. Okay, understood? Add horizontal means number line पे addition करना. Now here you are having number 7 and number 1. So count on your fingers. Yes, you can do the counting on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 here. Plus we have to add one more number. So we will get it on 8. So your answer will be 8. Like this you will write the answer. Next, 3. The first number is 3 and the second number is 4. So again you have to use the fingers. 1, 2, 3. Then 4 number are there. This is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in total, count करो अपनी fingers पे से. In total we will get number 7, dear children. Understood? The remaining 2 you will do it on your own in the textbook itself. Dear children, I hope you are very much clear with this topic. Now we will meet next time with something more interesting in this chapter. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.